Hi, my name is Elisa. I'm from Vinyasa Yogashala, and I'll talk about my experience with the trauma healing session that I experienced through the program. It was not what I had expected it to be at all. I didn't really know what I expected, but it was incredibly powerful. It was an experience that I feel so grateful to be able to have gone through. It was like touching pressure points on different parts of my body to release trauma that's stored in different areas of the body, and going through all of the chakras and what they represent. And some of it was incredibly painful because there was so much trauma stored in those areas of the body, but releasing it felt so powerful. And I was able to scream and to get the energy out of my body and to really feel the negativity and the trauma being released and leaving, as well as hearing about, the areas where different traumas are stored, and that resonating with different experiences in my own life. And throughout the whole thing, I felt very safe and very held and very supported. And afterwards, I just felt like I was floating. I felt so light. I felt like so much had really been released from my body. And yeah, it was one of those experiences that I don't think I could have anywhere else. And that was just really, really potent and powerful. And that, yeah, I'm really grateful to have had the opportunity to experience. It kind of opened up a whole new world for me in a lot of ways.